we're going to be doing the diaphragm crunch. You want to make sure that your heels are just close enough for your fingertips to graze. You're going to bring those arms up overhead. You're going to relax for a second. You're going to inhale, and as you exhale, you're going to brace that core as though you're grabbing onto your spine. Then we're going to push those shoulders away from the ears, bring the arms up, and engage. Keep that core engaged. And relax. Breathe in, expanding the whole rib cage in a 360 circumference. Exhaling. Grab that spine. Bring those arms up. Nice and strong. Breathe in. Exhale. Grab that spine and bring those arms up. Perfect. With every one of these moves, you want to hold it for a good 4 to 2 seconds. Sorry, not minutes. And there you go.